Hello, everybody. You know me, I'm Zandaxole Ngcobo, as usually, and we have new actors, and I'm going to introduce them. I hope you know Zandaxole Ngcobo is not a newcomer, and there is newcomers. This is Noto Zulu. Noto, what do you want to say? Azande, we have a newcomer, Azande Zondi. Azande, out.